Hello student, today we are now starting a new chapter, matrices. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. So matrices are not only used as a representation of coefficient in a system of linear equation, but it also used in certain branches of science, also in genetics, economics, sociology, modern physiology, and industrial management. And also we solve the linear equation by using matrices, and the different areas of business science like sales projection, cost estimation, analyzing the result analyzing the result of an experiment. Many physical operations such as magnification, rotation, and reflection through a plane can be represented mathematically by using a matrices. So these are many applications of matrices. Um, Now we study matrices first. Definition of matrices is: a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of number or a function. The numbers and function are called the elements of entries of the matrices. First, this is a rectangular array of numbers. This is square box, and this is a rectangular array of numbers or functions. So these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 are the elements in the given matrix, and matrix is represented by in a square box. This is a rectangular array, and all these are the entries, or we call this as the elements, entries or elements of a matrix. So in this example, suppose A is equals to, this is matrix of order 3 cross 3 matrix, and horizontal lines 1 2 3, this this is a horizontal line. So this horizontal line are called rows. Horizontal lines are called rows. So this is first row R1, this is second row R2, this is third row R3. And vertical lines are called columns. So we call first column, this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. So it is denoted by C1, C2, and C3. So horizontal lines are called rows, and vertical lines are called columns. So this is very important, remember this point. vertical vertical lines are columns, and horizontal lines are columns of given matrix. So here in this example, rows and columns are same. Here there are 3 rows and 3 columns, so order of this matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Next, our point is order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called matrix of order m cross n. Order of matrix means a matrix having m rows and n columns. M rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n. This m is the row. M is the row of given matrix, and n is a column. N is a column of given matrix. So in general, matrix is represented by a letter A is equals to this A11, A12, A13, dot dot dot, A1n. Means A11 means this is the element of first row, this is the element in the first row and first column. So this place is A11, A12, this is element in first row and second column. So this is the place of this is the place of given element. Third number A13, so this is number in, this number is in first row and third column, and dot 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 and so on. Last number is A1n, this element this element is in first row and n column, first row and n column. So place of this element is a1n. So next row is, this is first row and this is second row. A21 means second row and first column. This is A22, second row, second column. A23, second row and third column, and so on. A2n, second row and nth column, and so on. Here we write a last row R m, because m is a row and n is a column, so this is a rm row, mth row. So am1, am2, am3 dot dot amn means m row first column, mth row second column, mth row third column, mth row nth column. So order, this is matrix, general matrix, and column, n is a column and m is row. So order of given matrix is m cross n. M is row and n is column. So in general it is denoted by letter A is equals to, in square bracket, aij, in square bracket small aij. Order of this matrix is m cross n. I is where I is 1 is less equal, I is less equal m. I is row element and j row number and j is a column number. So 1 is less equal, j is less equal n. This is order of matrix. Next I explain the type of matrices. Types of matrices, I explain this in our NCERT book. Types of matrices. First type of matrices is column matrix. Again I explain. Column, horizontal line. Horizontal line is a column of given matrix. A matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. So this A is equals to this matrix having only one column. Only one column. So this is a column matrix, and order of this matrix is how many column? Only one column. So order of this matrix. And how many rows? 1. This is R1, R2, R3, R4. So there are 4 rows and only one column. So order of given matrix is 4 cross 1. 4 is row. First always write row and the second always write column. So there are 4 rows. So order of given matrix is 4 cross 1. Next, row matrix. Second type is row matrix. Row matrix means horizontal line. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. It has only one row. So here one example is given. B is equals to, in square bracket, minus 1 by 2 root 5 2 3 is a row matrix because only here only one horizontal line. So R1 is and columns, how many columns are here? 1 2 3 and 4. There are 4 columns. So row is only one. Row is only one, but columns are 1 2 3 and 4. There are 4 columns. So order of given matrix is 1 cross 4. 1 because row is 1 and 4 because of columns are 4. So order of given matrix is 1 cross 4. Next type of matrix is square matrix. A square matrix, a matrix in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. The number of rows are equal to the number of columns. Means in which matrix the number of rows and columns are same. This matrix is called a square matrix. Thus the m cross n matrix is said to be square matrix if m is equals to n, and this is known as a square matrix. Means m is equals to n means number of rows is equals to number of columns, then this matrix is called a square matrix. So here one example is given. This is square matrix. In square bracket, first row is 3 minus 1 0, second row is 3 by 2 3 root 2 1, and third row is 4 3 minus 1. This is square matrix because there are 3 rows, so order of this matrix is 3 cross 3 because 3 rows and 3 columns, so order of given matrix is 3 cross 3. Therefore this matrix is a square matrix because row number of rows and number of columns are same, so this is a square matrix. Next type of a matrix is diagonal matrix. Next type of a matrix is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix B is equals to, in square bracket, Bij m cross m is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. That matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. That matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix. Here only diagonal elements are non-zero, means if A is equals to, in square in matrix 4, this is a singleton matrix because only one element in this matrix, only one row and only one column, so single element in a matrix is always diagonal matrix. In second example, B is equals to minus 1 0 0 2. Order of given matrix is 2 cross 2 because there are 2 rows and 2 columns, so order of given matrix is 2 cross 2, and only diagonal elements are non-zero. Here diagonal element is minus 1 and 2, and non-diagonal elements means except diagonal element, non-diagonal element here is 0 and 0. And in third example, diagonal elements are minus 1.1 2 3. These three are a diagonal element, and non-diagonal element are 0 0 0 and here 0 0 0. So this matrix is diagonal matrix. The order of first matrix is 1 cross 1, means order is 1. Second matrix is 2 cross 2, and third matrix is 3 cross 3 because rows and columns are given matrix are same. Next type is scalar matrix. Next type is a scalar matrix. In scalar matrix, diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. In above we study the diagonal matrix, but scalar matrix we use a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if diagonal elements are equal. Here in above example, diagonal elements are different. Here minus 1.1 2 3, but in scalar matrix diagonal elements are same. This is a diagonal matrix, but here the diagonal elements are same. Here diagonal elements are not same, but in scalar matrix diagonal elements are same. That is, if B is equal to minus 1 0 0 minus 1, then this diagonal element are minus 1 minus 1, so these elements are same, so we call this as a scalar matrix. In example number 3, C is equals to root 3 0 0 0 root 3 0 0 0 root 3. In given example, this is a diagonal matrix and these diagonal elements are same. these diagonal elements are same, so this is a scalar matrix. And singleton matrix means A is equal to in square bracket 3, this is also scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. The identity matrix, in identity matrix diagonal elements are 1 1 1. Here example are given. First example is singleton 1. In second example diagonally 1 1 is given, 1 1, and non-diagonal elements are 0. In third example diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. The order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. So this is identity matrix. Next type of matrix is zero matrix. The matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or a null matrix. We call zero matrix as zero matrix as a null matrix. The matrix in which all elements are zero is called a zero matrix or a null matrix. For example, singleton 0. In second example 0 0 0 0. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. 0 0 0 0 0. This is all are 0, all entries are 0, means all elements in matrix are 0. We call this matrix as a zero matrix. Our next point is equality of matrix. Equality of matrix. The equality of matrix. The matrix, if a matrix is said to be equal, then the elements in a given matrix are same. Two matrices, definition of given equality of matrices is two matrices A is equals to Aij and B is equals to Bij is said to be equal if they are of same order. The matrix are said to be equal if they are same order, means order are same, each element of A equal to corresponding element of B, means every element in matrix A is equals to elements in matrix B, that is Aij is equals to Bij. Aij is equals to Bij means places are same, then elements are same. In a examples are given below. First matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix 2 3. First row is 2 3, second row is 0 1, and second is 2 3 and 0 1. These two matrices are same, their entries are equal, their elements are equal, so these matrices are equal matrix. So here first place is 2, here first place is 2, the second place means here this place is A11, this place is B11, A11 is equals to B11, here A12 is equals to B12, here A21 means second row first column means A21 is equals to B21, A22 is equal to B22, so all entries are same and order also same, so this is equal matrix. But in that example 3 2 0 1, here 2 3 0 1, here first